Hi everyone, so this is my first video about the island kitchen, my second baby, and a wonderful cookbook about food from Mauritius and the Indian Ocean islands like Seychelles, Réunion, Rodrigue, Madagascar, all these islands in the Indian Ocean that many people don't know much about. So this is my book. It took about 3 years to make. Lots of research, lots of travelling as well, and lots of eating, which is always a good thing. So I'm so happy to have it here anyway. It's now available in the UK and India, Australia, Germany as well, and it will be available in US, I think, in September. So this is the island kitchen. It's got recipes from each island, and we kind of explain a lot about the cuisine that's not so known very well, and there's a lot of stories about my family growing up here in the UK and having my mum and dad's cooking from Mauritius and going back to the island every summer when I was growing up. So it's kind of a story about my childhood and everything like that in a book. So if you cook from it, lots of people have been cooking from it, and it's been great to see all the recipes, people cooking in their homes. So yeah, let me know what you think about the book in the comments below, and if you have any questions, just shoot it over. Thanks guys.